Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm Silo Poetera DJ. So today ngifuna ukwenza i-reaction from album entsha ephumile kaDumi. uDumi the volume but ke manje simaze ngoStoji T. So keep album iphume nje namhlanje kungumhla ka-28 November but ke angizukureview album ngifuna nje just wenza i-reaction this song because kade lokukhunywa ngakadilindiwe because kwi-history pop asemzansi kuqophe kumlando namhlanje uDumi ufeaturisha uNSTC beno-Aries kwingoma eyodwa into engakazenze before abakaze benze music bobabili so ingoma iphumile ingoma inoMax uRisi uNSTC then bese uba yena ke uDumi so siyazi ke omrapper ke already topic iqalele ukuthi ubani one verse elubest liphi iverse elilendile but before ngiyalapho ngifuna ukuya ku production like ingoma I think inalo element yale hardcore hip hop because ngiyamazi uDumi mina wona la uDumi like I'm not a biggest fan kaDumi because udeep and uyabo ama metaphor and stuff sometimes music wakhe kumele welalela wenza ama references like phela umuntu othe uqaqeka la emqondweni so mina mangilalela ingoma ngifuna ezongeza umsebenzi kanjalo angifuni ukuba ngathi mhlawumbe ko like ngiyaku tutorial lapha like ngi-lecture something so ngifuna nje into something ngecatch ezoba fun but ingoma leyo I think yona ngoma ethanda ukuba appealing le album yakhe because ngeke ngathi ngazama ukulalela ezinye ngathi no okay I think lezi zideep sifuna mhlawumbe nami ngize ngithi ukubhoreka yabo bese ngalalela ngithi ngigxila kuzona because ugude kakhulu isikhathi to amagama lapha noDumi ke but back to this song okuyona abantu abakhuluma ngayo kuyona ingoma even right now ngenza ivideo ise-reach 100k views and iphume namhlanje so I think iyaperforma because ingoma hip hop siyazi into yakhona ivamisa uba slowly but ingoma iyaperforma I think izolishaya million soon and babekashuthi music video izoshootha fast because inoMax bafethu I think mina when it comes to the bass verse lapha I think when it comes to flow nokudlala ngamagama nama punchline bafethu umfoko wamaguba unophambili kakhulu but ke elinye iverse engizwe ngathi lithanda uba stroke iverse kaRisi ya mina ngifene enkulu uNSTC but I feel like uNSTC ukhale ngaphansi kwengoma laphana but I'm happy ngeke ngamuzwa laphana kwi-bridge na kwi-chorus ezama ukhombisa elinye side lakhe besathi prepare because uNSTC there's another thing engayinotice ever since abuya overseas umusic wakho ushintshe ngalendlela udifferent lakho usekwazi ukwenza into eningi beside ukurapper laphana so I think ile hook yakhe leyana ku-chorus laphana usakhombisa yona indlela ka-versatile ngapha but when it comes to rap I think uRisi ube ne-verse elibalanced noNSTC but mangikhuluma ngengoma yonke I think uMax ubabulale bonke when it comes to flow but ke siyazi ke masilalela ama rap abanye bazofika behlaze iverse lika Dumi and stuff but mina I feel like ngathi uMax ufika washana laphana kakhulu and ngibe happy ukuthi ngibone uStoji like enza ama interview before kuphumela album because ngiyazi legend and omunye umuntu osebe khona kwe-game isikhathi eside kakhulu so uvamisa ukudropa nje like egropele lo EP noma something balalela but this time ngeke ngambona eku5 FM laphana kushow ka DJ Speedster ezopromote album yakhe before iphuma so I was shocked but bengihappy because ngiyamazi ukuthi she's not that guy wenza lo ma interview and ngeke ngambona kushow ka Touch laphana ku Metro FM i-touchdown nakhona uke wafika izosha interview before kuphumela album so I think isho something yena le album ke i-album iphumile anomi angayilaleli lonke album so angifuni ukukhuluma ngakho le album ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale ngoma because everyone yona ngoma ukukhuluma ngayo even naku-Twitter ngithenga ngena namhlanje everyone bakhuluma ngama-verse ubani ube ne-verse elidopa then so mina I feel like uMax ube ne-verse elidopa but overall nje ingoma iyintsombo kakhulu I'm not sure ukuthi ubani oyiproducile but yo production engoma yena outstanding like inalama element angikhumbuza le ngoma iproduce uBongsi kuba uBongsi besekhona kwisini bengizothi mhlawumbe ubongani fast because khona le ngoma yenziwe uBongsi benoMax ngalwanya like khona lo ma element like I think nje ngoma khona no standard si international so ingoma nje intswempu proper so Speaker Nawe no abe sinomola singayinezanga ngo10 top 10 I think uStoji lapha nobuye ngengoma entswempu hopefully radio izorola nayo lapha ibe khona kuma charts and stuff because omunye umuntu onengoma eningi entsophu but unengoma ezimbalo ezingena kuma charts so I feel like this one I deserve but I'm happy just ukubona uNSTC benoRisi oneSamsung hopefully maybe bazophinde beyenze collab bezenze lento yabo babili because amajita our beef like imabalana uzayisekho ambitious ayisekho so there's no need be beef because I think beef at that time ecreate ayila ma record label awu2 akoyona irun game leso sikhathi so ayizama ukubenza ukuthi kube ngabantu ba beef but there was no beef and manje sekuyabonakala but ingoma iphumile abantu abayicheck khona ku Apple Music khona ku Spotify everywhere nje ingoma insompo kakhulu mina nguSpeaker Nawe no ngiyayivuma. So Speaker Nawe sekhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Instagram Speaker Nawe, naku-TikTok sikhona c.speaker.nawe. Awe, we out.